Elizabeth, really? He's just sitting there. See him?
Wait, what's he got?
You want to touch him?
No,
Just watch.
I don't want it.
Okay, well come here. Do you want to look at him? Yeah, watch. See? See? Touch him. He's fine.
I don't like
Okay.
it. I'm scared.
Why are you scared of a worm? They won't hurt you. They're just little squiggly things that God made for fishermen. Just touch it.
I don't like it.
He'll get over it one day when I throw it on you. Which will be soon.